Hello friends, welcome to the video. So in this part of the video we are going to talk about a template for opinion essay. By using this templates you would be able to write an IELTS writing task to essay on on opinion essay. Okay, so before we start this video, let's have a look at the sample question. So here is the question on the screen, and it says you should spend at least about 40 minutes on this task. But the question is here: prison is the best punishment for criminals. Prison is the best punishment for the criminals. How far do you agree or disagree with this statement? Give reasons for your answer and include any relevant examples from your own experience. So the question, it says punishment for the criminals. So prison is the best punishment. Do you agree or disagree? Okay. So here, so the template will have 5 paragraphs. I'll just quickly explain what those paragraphs will have. Paragraph 1 or first paragraph of your essay writing will have introduction to the problem statement. You will rewrite the given statement or problem statement in your own words, and then paragraph 2 will discuss what is your view, like first reason of the argument with example to support your opinion. Then you will write second point or second argument to support it, to support your opinion. Okay. And then we'll have one contrast opinion or other side of the argument. Say there are people who believe prison is the best punishment. Then you will give reason 1, why do you think so. You will write in paragraph 3rd, you will write reason 2, why do you think prison is the best solution. And then in paragraph 4th you will write other side of the argument. There are significant number of people who think prison is not the good option. Then you will write why do they think so and what are the reasons behind it. You will mention those reasons in paragraph 4, and then you will end up your essay by writing a short conclusion. So in the conclusion you have to summarize both of your ideas which you have mentioned in paragraph 2 and paragraph 3 and the other side of the argument, and then you will say, in my opinion, prison is the best punishment. Or if you are not in favor, then you can write the other side of the argument. Okay, now let's have a look at the template. Now let's start looking at the introduction part. So introduction is quick and simple. Say, these days, you can memorize this one, you can use this one as it is, these days, and then you will write a general sentence about the topic sentence using different words. Either you can use synonyms or you can change the order of the words. So here, after these days, you will write a one sentence summary or a general topic, general sentence about the topic. And then you will say, but what is the most effective method for dealing with what? Here we are talking about the criminals, right? Then you will write an extra sentence to support the first one. Okay, so now here you can memorize the second sentence. What I'm trying to say is here, but what is the most effective method for dealing with, you can memorize this one as it is, and then you can use the sentence as it is. Okay, and then here, some people believe that, again this is ready-made sentence, you can use as it is. Some people believe that. Now you will write here what some people believe. Focus on one side of the argument. Some people believe that prison is the best option. Okay, give your opinion and tell reader your plan. Some people believe that, and then you will write your opinion. What do you think? Is it a good, or you agree with this, or you are not agree with this? So for argument's sake, we'll say it's a good. I'm okay with the given statement, with the problem statement. I'm in favor that criminal should be punished actually. Okay, so then you will write, I completely agree, and in this essay I will support my opinion with examples. Correct? So here is my you can say introduction. So these days you write one sentence, a general sentence about the topic statement, but what is the most effective method for dealing with, you will write another sentence to support the first one. Again, Some people believe that. Now you will write, focus on the question statement in your own words and then give your opinion. What do you think? I completely agree, I completely disagree. And in this essay you can make use of the sentence as it is, and in this essay I will support my opinion with examples. You can make use of this sentence as it is in your IELTS writing task 2. Now let's talk about the paragraph 2. So in paragraph 2 we'll talk about the first reason why do I think so, why I believe prison is the good punishment. So here you will write firstly, because I'm going to present my first viewpoint or my first argument. So firstly, then I'll write, then what you have to do is write your first argument here to support your opinion. In this bracket you will write, why do you think so criminals should be punished or they should be put behind the bars. For example, then write an example here to support your first argument. If conclude, and then you write what is the, so you can say firstly, prison is the best place for the criminals, right? For example, if you will put people behind the bar for the lifetime, like, then what sort of impact will it have in the society? So it will gain a confidence of trust of the people, and the people who are planning to think about any crime, they will think twice before doing that, because now they know it. If they will think, if they will plan to commit any sort of crime, they will be behind the bars for the lifetime, right? So this will stop them from committing a new crime, correct? Okay. Now in paragraph 3rd I will present one more argument. So second argument, another reason why, another reason I am giving second viewpoint, my second argument why I believe prison is the best option. Another reason why I agree with or disagree with, okay, yeah, why I disagree with, write your second argument or reason why. So basically I'm agree here, I'm in support, I'm writing in support. So I'll write here another reason why I am agree with this, then give a, here I will write another reason, what is my second argument and why do I think so, right? So here you can write another reason. Another reason you can mention that people who are threat to the society will be behind the bars, so people can roam around with their families freely and safely. They won't have any sort of threat, because the people who are threat to them are behind the bars now, so they are safe. So another reason why I believe or why I agree, you will write here, you will write an example. I strongly believe that this, write two more sentences to explain it more. Why do you think? And what is more, write one sentence to conclude. So this way the people will have more belief in the government, or they will have more trust on the police. So here in this argument we are talking about the safety of the people, and here we are talking about this is a way to stop criminals from committing a new crime, right? Now here in paragraph 1 2 we are done with the 3. So paragraph 4th, in paragraph 4th we'll talk about other side of the argument, other side of the argument, or the alternate opinion, why there are people who thinks that prison is not the best option. So you can write here, there are some sort of people, or there are significant number of people who think that criminals should give another opportunity or one more chance to be a good person. So you can talk about, for example, you can say there are people, or there are you can say criminals who are just like 20 years old, and they should, behind the bar is not a good option for them, so they should give one more chance to become a good guy and can do good in life. So here you can write the alternate, the contrast opinion here in the paragraph 4. So the thing is, whenever you write any paragraph, right, you write your main topic, you write supporting arguments, arguments, and then you give one example and then conclude that particular paragraph, okay, in one sentence. Now let's talk about the conclusion. So conclusion is the very important thing for us. So you can start about your conclusion, in conclusion, or to conclude, you can use any, whatever you like. So in conclusion, then here you can memorize the sentence. In conclusion, although it is a common belief that, you can memorize the sentence as it is. In conclusion, although it is a common belief that, memorize this one, then rewrite the topic sentence here. It is a common belief that, and here I believe, rewrite the summary of the two arguments which you have mentioned. Your two reasons why do you think people should be behind the bars, and then believe behind the bars, listen to 2 and 3 using different words. Personally, I think, rephrase the opponent using, and then personally, I think, rephrase your opinion. So in the conclusion, what you need to think is how you can write your conclusion. Simple. In conclusion, although it is a common belief that, then you will summarize. You will summarize both of your arguments which you have mentioned in paragraph 2 and paragraph 3, and you also talk about the contrast opinion here, and then you will give your opinion. Personally, I believe that prison is the best option to stop the crime in the society. So this way you will end up your IELTS writing task 2 on the opinion essay. And I think we are done here, and stay tuned for more. Thank you.